Two cars, two families, and an unexpected incident. So, what happened? Let's find out. The van is old, torn, and faded. The family steps out, looking worn. They spread an old cloth, boiled vegetables, and dry bread. Another Moby home parks beside them, new and shiny. The rabbit family steps out, nice clothes, happy laughter. Wow!
Huh?
Hello, new neighbor! Rabbits glance over, see the poor meal, and smirk.
Oh no!
I need a wrench to change a tire.
Huh?
Could I borrow a wrench? I need to change my tire.
No, no, no!
Daddy Pig checks his pocket, only a few coins.
A few moments later.
He runs far and returns with an old wrench.
Okay, come on!
On the road, Peppa's family sees a familiar van.
Help! Help!
They ask for help. Cars pass by. No one stops.
Help! Aha! What?
A few moments later.
Please stop!